Understanding strong-minded, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, strong-minded. Understanding such phrases is key to mastering the English language. Let's dive into what strong-minded means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Strong-minded refers to someone who has firm convictions and is very determined. It implies that the person is resolute and independent in thought. This phrase often carries a positive connotation, suggesting a commendable level of confidence and self-assuredness. Let's look at how strong-minded can be used in sentences. She is very strong-minded about her career goals. Despite the challenges, his strong-minded approach helped him succeed. Strong-minded individuals often make great leaders. Notice how the phrase is used to describe a person's attitude or approach to situations. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can deepen your grasp of strong-minded. Synonyms: determined, resolute, steadfast, unwavering. Antonyms: indecisive, weak-willed, vacillating. Using these words can add variety to your speech or writing while conveying a similar meaning. Strong-minded may be perceived differently in various cultures. In some contexts, it's highly valued as a sign of leadership and strength. However, in other settings, it might be seen as stubbornness or lack of flexibility. Understanding these nuances is important for effective communication. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means to be strong-minded, and how you can use this phrase in English. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about conveying ideas and emotions. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve. Thanks for watching.